Congratulations! You've sewn a reusable menstrual pad. Now that you know the steps, you can do it at home too. If this felt difficult and long, don't worry. It's only natural that your first attempt is the hardest. It will only get easier from here onwards. Handmade pads always look unique, so don't be disheartened if you don't like the results of your first pad. Rest assured, your pad is usable and functional. For your next attempt, try experimenting with different materials you can find at home. Or, if you're ready to get serious, head over to fabric stores to buy fleece, microfiber and flannel to make these thinner, reusable pads. Did you like this workshop? By a show of hands, give me a thumbs up if you like it and a thumbs down if you did not like it. We'd also love to collect your feedback to improve this workshop. Please fill in the survey form given or scan this QR code. Don't forget to share the skills with your friends, daughters, mother or relative. Share this video and sew more pads. If you'd like to learn about menstruation and how to take good care of your body, watch our 15-minute sex education video here. Thank you so much for joining me in this reusable pad making workshop. Make more pads and share this video. Bye! This workshop was brought to you by the LaunchPad project, a community project by Taylor's Hostel Management in collaboration with Taylor's University, the Design School and UNHCR.